My name is Robb Helt, and we are here today to talk about preferences inside of OnCue. There's a lot of preferences in there that can make the way you do your job more customizable. And that was our goal. That was what we aimed for. The only problem, when you change your preferences, you need to know what you're doing. And you need to test it, make sure that it works, make sure that it works for you. I want to go over a couple of things in preferences today. And throughout the rest of the year, we're going to have several different CueCasts on different preference levels. I want to talk about the advanced settings inside of preferences. And we're going to start today with the ID of your particular exhibit or document being shown on the screen while you have it up there. So everybody knows what you're looking at, how you can change that and make it more customizable to your needs. So let's go ahead and jump over to that right now. So inside of OnCue, we have our picture here, and this is Plaintiff's Exhibit 1. And notice that when we publish this, we have no way of knowing what it is we have up here. Number one, we don't have an exhibit stamp on it. Number two, there's just no text to tell us what is available to us. Now, right up here in the top area of OnCue, all the way over, is something called our status bar. And I want to talk about that. First thing we're going to do is jump into preferences, and we're going to go down to presentation in our preferences. Now, I want you to notice at the bottom of presentation are your annotations. That's where this section ends. But if you go down to options and you click on show advanced settings, take a look. We now have more settings, and these are indeed advanced settings. I'm going to leave this in advanced mode because I want to talk about this in just a minute. But right now, what I want to focus on is the toolbar and status bar of OnCue. I want to deal with the status bar only. So what I'm going to do is check show status bar when presentation opens. And I'm going to click OK. When I click on the publish, notice that now in the top left corner, you see this area right here that says P1.1. So Plaintiff's Exhibit 1, page number 1. But you see how small it is? If I'm the only person wanting to see that, that would be perfect. But most times you want everybody to see it. So let's go back to preferences. Once we get into our preferences, let's go back to presentation and let's look right here. What we're going to do is we're going to change the status bar text size to 30 points. We're also going to make it bold, and we're going to change the color to red so that everybody can see it. All right. Then we're going to click OK. Now, with that said, let's click on the publish button and watch this. Now, notice up in the top left, you've got P1.1. It's in red. It's at 30 points. If you want to make it larger, make it 40, 50, 60 points, whatever is best for you and whatever color you want it to be. That comes by checking the box that says show the status bar. Now, let me give you one other tip. If you don't like the status bar being up there and you would rather just show it at will, uncheck that box and click on publish. Then press Shift B. Notice Shift B will bring it up and down. So you can take it off of there when you don't need it. You can put it on when you do. Last thing I wanted to show you is I said I wanted to talk about the bottom of the presentation preferences when I go down and choose show advanced. This is where you can show your undo history as many times as you want to. So when you hit Control Z right now, you can go back up to 100 times of where you left off. Well, you could change this just to 50. You could change it to 20, whatever you want to do. It's completely up to you. You can always change the per display DPI, dots per inch setting as well. And if you need to know what these do, just hover over it. It'll give you a full list of what this particular setting will do for you. Now, if you get a case and you start messing around and you change a bunch of things and you're like, hey, I just want to go back, all you have to do is just reset to defaults. You can reset each individual item, presentation, toolbar, media layout, annotations. You can set all this stuff individually by using reset to defaults, or you can just come down to options, reset to defaults, and that changes all of our settings back to what they originally were inside of OnCue. So there you can see that the presentation options inside of the preferences help you with more than a few things. We're going to be going over all of these options, all of these preferences, what you can do, what the advanced mean over time the rest of the year. So make sure that you tune in for those. Hey, thank you for viewing the CueCast. I certainly hope that this is helping you, and we certainly hope that you are enjoying using OnCue. My name is Robb, and we'll see you next week.